Hi, my name is Albert Ong. I am a mechatronics engineer, biotechnologist, and interaction designer, and I'm from Tinkering. And I am a learning experience facilitator at Georges River Libraries. We run and create workshops that help the public basically get hands-on with technology. So my workshops specialize in both introducing people to the basics of technology, but also applying them in creative and unusual ways. So some of the workshops that we run at Georges River include e-textiles, wearable circuitry, robotics, 3D printing, 3D design, and video gaming. Becoming a learning experience facilitator is an amazing experience, and it's a way of sharing your own personal experience and expertise to members of the public. I highly recommend applying to the EOI. It's fun, it's engaging, it helps challenge you as well, and it also helps you share your experience and your knowledge.